Good morning, students. Welcome to the final stretch of board preparation. Scoring 95 marks in English class 10 board exam seems challenging, but it can be achievable with the strategic preparation. So today we are going to discuss some strategies to score 95 plus marks. Now let's go into that. See, reference textbooks which you need to refer, mainly NCRT, First Flight and Footprints Without Feet. And for the writing skills and reading skills questions, you must refer the all-in-one, Educart, Arihant, CBSE, all-in-one English. So, smart techniques to score 95 marks in English. Use 15 minutes reading time wisely in the board exam. Understand the question paper thoroughly and decide from which section you would like to start. Must read and understand each question properly before attempting. Use textbook or advanced level of language to score best marks. Answers must be related to the given question only. Attempt all the questions as there is no negative marking. Time management is very significant because language papers always lengthy. Don't waste a single minute of time and don't spend much time on a single question. Now, do remember to follow the word limit for each concerned question to avoid wasting time. Now, let's go. How you need to do the presentation during the exam. Use only blue pen. Maintain proper spacing between the words. Underline important points, your keywords. Now, the time management and division of marks according to the section wise. As you know that there are 3 sections in English. So number of questions for each section and how many marks and the time limit for that. So reading skills, 2 unseen passages question you will have and you must attempt all of them and it is a scoring. You can score full out of full. That is 20 marks. But do remember the time limit not more than 45 minutes. Writing skills. So, 2 questions will be given, formal letter and analytical paragraph. Each carries 5 marks. So, 25 minutes, not more than that, you should spare for attempting the writing. Then come to the grammar. You need to attempt 10 questions out of 12. So, 10 marks, so not more than 20 to 25 minutes. Literature. So here total 40 marks and not more than 70 minutes. Time management is very important in the English or any other language subjects also. Now do remember you also should have 15 minutes of time to do the revision, to avoid silly spelling mistakes or grammatical errors. Now, let's go with the section-wise revision, that is reading skills, 20 marks. As I said, this section is only to analyze your understanding. Sorry. In this section, you can see 2 passages. One is discursive passage and the other one is case-based factual passages. Case-based factual passages is totally based on the charts, graphs, some analytical data-wise. But it is a scoring section. You must attempt all. Out of 20, you can score 20. So, the thing is that here are few tips how to score and how to do the things in time. How to do it in time, attempting the 2 passages. So first one, read the questions first and understand the questions before you start reading the passage, so that you can identify the answers immediately and save time too. So answer the questions of passage in your own words instead of copying the lines of passage. More than one option in the objective type is not at all acceptable. Practice at least 2 passages. Now then comes to the second section, B section, writing skills and grammar. So here, as I said, grammar, 12 questions will be given and 10 you need to attempt. So all these questions will be based on the tenses, modals, subject verb agreement, determiners and reported speech. But here they don't ask the questions directly. So they give the questions in the form of gap filling, editing, sentence, transformation. Then comes to the writing skills. Writing skills, as I said, you will have 2 questions. The first and foremost question, formal letter writing. Here in the formal letter writing, you will have number of varieties, but compulsory question. It's a compulsory question in the board exam, that is letter to the editor. Letter to the editor. Please do remember, letter to the editor, you have any letter in this. Write the formal language, not at all informal language. So here I have given the hints how to start and how to close the letter also. So mostly based on the social problems, these editor letters. So the first, you need to write them in the 3 paragraphs. The first one is, who are you and what is your problem, and the effects of the problem with examples, suggestions to get rid of the problem before conclusion. Then comes to the analytical paragraph. Whatever the hints will be given in the question paper related to the analytical paragraph, you must use all the hints to write your answer. And come to the literature part. Here in the literature part, first flight is the most important and most weightage of marks in the board exam. So don't be panic, attempt all the questions. See, you can find the extract based questions also, short answer questions also, and footprints without feet. So all of them, even in the long questions also. So how to be focused is very important. Stay confident enough, stay calm and stay focused. Believe you can, and you are half of there. Thank you and all the best for your tomorrow's exam.